Hey there, Windows 10 users. Are you tired of dealing with frustrating Wi-Fi disconnection issues? Well, you're not alone. Stick around because I've got the perfect solution for you. In today's video, we're going to tackle the common problem of Wi-Fi disconnection on Windows 10. Having a stable internet connection is crucial for daily tasks, from work to entertainment. Let's dive into how you can fix this annoying issue once and for all. Presentation of problem/challenge Wi-Fi disconnection problems on Windows 10 can occur in various scenarios. Whether you're streaming a movie, joining a virtual meeting, or simply browsing the web, sudden disconnects can disrupt your workflow and cause frustration. It's time to take control and solve this issue for good. Exploration/development now. Let's get into the 3 easy steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix Wi-Fi disconnection problems on Windows 10. First, check your Wi-Fi signal strength and ensure you're within range of your router.
To find the network connection in modern versions of Windows, go to Settings. After that, click on Network and Internet. Open the Network and Sharing Center option in Network and Internet. Click on Change Adapter Settings on the left side. You will see Wi-Fi showing there. Right-click on it. After that, click on Status and select the blue Wi-Fi link to see the Wi-Fi strength.
Second, update your network drivers to the latest version.
Click the Start button and type Device Manager in the search bar. And right-click on the My PC icon. Select Manage in the drop-down menu. Click on the Device Manager option on the left side. Locate the Network Adapter's drop-down menu. Choose the network adapter, right-click it, and select Update Driver Software. Click Search automatically for updated driver software. Follow the instructions on the following screens to finish updating. Restart your computer to apply the changes.
And finally, reset your network settings to default to resolve any configuration issues.
Go to the Start menu. Settings, then select Network and Internet. In the left navigation panel, select Status to make sure you're viewing the Network Status window. Then scroll down until you see the Network Reset link. Click the Network Reset link and review the Network Reset information message. Select Yes in the Network Reset Confirmation window. This will initiate the reset process and restart your computer. Windows will restart automatically after 5 minutes, as you can see in the pop-up message. Don't restart your computer by yourself. Just wait for 5 minutes. When the computer restarts, you'll notice that your network connection isn't active. This is because your network card reset and released its previous connection. Just select the network icon, pick the network you want to reconnect to, and choose Connect. To sum it up, we've covered the 3 essential steps to fix Windows 10 Wi-Fi disconnection problems. Remember to check your signal strength, update your network drivers, and reset your network settings if needed. A stable connection is essential for a seamless online experience. I encourage you to give these steps a try and let us know in the comments how it worked out for you. Don't let Wi-Fi issues slow you down. Take action today and enjoy a hassle-free internet connection on your Windows 10 device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.